This is what 170 pesos a night gets you.
So pretty. We're Howard and Caitlin Newstate, full-time travelers. Whether it's by land in our Winnebago or by air, exploring is in our blood and our name. I'm flying! In the past 12 months, we've spanned the globe, traveling to places like Alaska, Hawaii, Budapest, and even one of the world's most restricted places, Chernobyl. Each week, we bring you along for the journey as we explore local cultures, go off the beaten path.
This is definitely one of the weirdest places we've been to. And we've been to a lot of weird places.
Meet wonderful people and try delicious food. And now we're in Mexico, where we spent the last few months traversing the amazing landscape of the interior part of the country. In our last episode, we explored the cultural mecca of Mexico City. And today, we pack up and take you north on an adventure down into a majestic canyon full of breathtaking grottos and pools. Welcome to Grutas de Tolantongo. We're all packed up, getting ready to leave Teotihuacan, our campground where we've been for the past 2 weeks. And we are heading to Grutas de Tolantongo. Did I say that right?
Yeah, I think so. Grutas de Tolantongo.
Yeah. So we have a little bit of a challenge though.
A caravan has come in last night, and
They have 12 rigs.
and some of them are over 40 feet long. And this is a small RV park. This is really like an in the city small parking area that's pretty nice. I mean, it's got grass, electricity. It does technically have full hookups. But yeah, some of these rigs are just so big.
So we're gonna try to get out of here now. Wish
Yeah.
us luck. It's a tight squeeze, but I think with Howard's maneuvering skills, he can do it. No pressure.
No pressure. It won't hit anything.
Of course, I'll be filming. Okay, you got about 2 feet in front of you.
I'm gonna try and pull forward.
Okay. You're real close to this mirror.
Clear it.
Stop. Nope. You're good over on my side. Whew.
Oh boy.
Thank you. Good job.
That's the closest I think we've ever been.
Yeah, if you would have kept going, that mirror would have scraped.
Good.
Yeah, that was a tight squeeze to say the least.
But we made it.
You did it.
Made it out. Thanks, baby.
Stellar driving skills. Now we can hit the road.
Yep.
We're gonna go get gas and hook up the car there, and it's about a 4-hour drive.
Yep.
So, yay, travel days.
Yep. Next stop, Awesome Hot Springs.
So we just had our first immigration checkpoint. So Google Translate for the win. He basically just wanted to make sure that our tourist visas were correct and accurate. There was a little bit of confusion because I had flown out of the country and then came back, so I had 2 separate FMMs, which I think was giving him some pause. But yeah, all good.
Yeah, we're all good.
He was very friendly, he was very patient with us as we tried to use Google Translate to explain why we had multiple FMMs. And then he asked where we were going and how long we were going to stay.
Yeah, I get the impression that certain areas they do these on the regular, and I'm not sure like why this particular area, but I've read that near Guatemala it's the same thing, where they will. Sorry.
Now the RV won't start.
Okay, hold on.
Travel days are fun. Is it doing what it did before?
All right.
We're having a bit of a problem. The RV won't start.
Is it for sure in park?
Yes.
Yeah, it is.
Yeah.
It's done this before, like one other time. Usually we just have to wait like 10 minutes.
Yeah.
All right, well, wish us luck. We'll be back.
Okay, doke.
Fingers crossed.
Here we go.
Ha ha ha!
See?
So weird.
Yeah. The only reason why I even know about this problem is because of the Facebook group. Because it affects other people who have this chassis. This specific generation of chassis has a problem with...
And tell them already.
Yeah. Has a specific problem with, I think it's a capacitor problem. Yeah, we're all good.
Bumpy. We're 15 minutes from the Grutas. On that road. It's like driving on a washboard. I said to Howard, how does our house not break apart? Like, it just blows my mind. He reminded me of a very good quality build. Thank you, Winnebago.
Wow.
It's beautiful.
What?
She doesn't think so. Oh, Piper, are you okay?
Jeez, Piper. This is beautiful. I think we should unhook the car.
Howard, I have the walkie. Guys!
Okay, can we just spin around here for a second? Look, that's the water. This is our campsite. This is what 170 pesos a night gets you. You get to camp overnight right here, and then the admission for one person is 150 pesos, but it's actually only before 5 o'clock. So right now, this is costing us 40 pesos. We have 2 vehicles, and that's it. Oh, thank you. Wow. To top us in 2.
Good morning.
Oh, good morning.
How did you sleep?
Great. I normally sleep fine. Caitlin
I do not.
needs situational situations in order to sleep well. This
Okay,
is
well
one of the
here in
situations.
Mexico there are a lot of barking dogs. A lot of mariachi music. It's just a lot of noise. But here, oh my gosh, I'm gonna walk outside. You hear this? It's like a natural white noise machine. Look at this. Let me come in the light so it's better. So beautiful. Just love it. So we're getting ready to go explore the caves. The water temperature is about 98 degrees. It's a little cool in the air this morning, so it'll be perfect to get into the caves. And then this afternoon we're going to the thermal pools. And I'm so excited. Also, there's cactus up there, and I love cactus. This place is just so beautiful. I can't believe we get to camp here. Getting our steps in. Whew.
Man, it's like some serious cardio. It's like 1,200 meters. So I think we're at up to 4,000. Don't be like us. Don't bring a backpack. You can't bring it.
They have lockers.
So now she has this really sweet necklace.
So pretty.
So you want to go to the tunnel or the gruta?
Decision.
Aren't they both theoretically caves?
I think so. Let's go up first.
Up?
Continue our steps.
Okay, so we're going to the tunnel.
Yeah.
The tunnel.
No.
Okay,
I just realized what we're doing.
so we're going through the waterfall. Oh my god. Wow. Okay, here we go. Oh, that's cold. The amount of steam, it takes your breath away. It's like you're immediately just like getting inundated with steam.
Yeah, and it's very narrow.
Yeah. We might try it again later.
Yeah.
I'd love to try it again later.
Are you?
Yeah.
There's a lot of people in there, and I get a little claustrophobic sometimes, so
Oh, okay.
it's very cool.
All right, so next will be the grotto.
Yeah.
We're in the cave. Super cool. Oh man.
So cool. We just hung out in there for like, what, an hour and a half, hour?
Yeah.
It's so relaxing. Works up an appetite because the current is so strong. Really cool.
It's like one cavern, and then there's a series of caves off of it. One of them is really, really hard to navigate because the current's so strong. But we went in and we went all the way up, and that was awesome.
It was really cool.
And then
Pitch black.
yeah, you can't see anything, so we just used my phone as a flashlight. It's waterproof. And then the other one was like a little grotto, and it was super cool because it was like maybe 8 people could fit in there, but really neat.
Yeah. Cool.
And you know, in order to get into it though, you have to go underneath these really low-hanging stalactites. So definitely not for claustrophobic people, that's for sure.
I did it.
Okay, great.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh my god. There's 2 things. That really hurt.
Uh-huh.
And it's not deep. It's not that deep. My feet hit the bottom. Your feet hit the bottom? Uh-huh. Oh my god. But I am glad I did.
Wow. Look at that.
think she prefers the beach. You have fun?
No.
Alright, now we can eat lunch. We're ready for round 2.
Round 2.
We had lunch,
I took a nap.
wardrobe change, and now we're heading to the thermal pool. So it should be very beautiful and much more relaxing than our adventure this morning, which was awesome.
Well, this morning really took it out of me because
No, you fell asleep fast.
when you go in a gruta hard, grutas take it back. I am not responsible if this does not lead us up to the pools. This is what the map has said. Wind mode stop. So we climbed all that way and we're not even there.
Oh my god! Oh, look, you're so fuzzy! Oh, they're so cool. There's a sign for the pools too. Oh my god, yeah. The views on this walk to the pools are incredible.
This place is like a fun house. I don't even know where to begin. I know. Oh, see those stairs over there? Let's go maybe this way. I think we go down. It's so warm.
Ooh, it is warm.
Wow. This is super cool. It's like terrace pools where every one of them is an infinity pool.
There's enough of them that like you can have, people have their own private pools right now. On Monday. And
Right.
It's about 30 in the afternoon.
Yeah, so like just below us, you kind of see there's 2 empty pools there. There's actually an empty pool just right next to us too. Yeah.
I cannot believe we walked all the way up.
I can. This might be the steam tunnel. And it runs all the way the length over, so I'll show you. So it runs in that tunnel over to the other end, and it is steamy. That is the sum total of what we know. Where'd they go? My beloved blue tinted sunglasses came off my head
They did not survive.
and they went straight down.
I tried to grab them to no avail.
Yeah.
And the funny thing you guys should know is Howard loses sunglasses like a lot. And
Yeah,
you had these a long time.
I've actually had these a couple of months at least.
Yeah.
4 months, 5 months. That's a long time for me. So I'm a little bit,
Torn up over it?
yeah,
Rest in peace sunglasses.
R.I.P., but there's no way to get them back.
Oh no.
They're gone.
Like me,
They,
because I need my towel.
and,
That's silly. So with that, we're going to head back to the RV. Thanks for watching this episode of Mexico Monday.
yeah, don't forget, Monday is Mexico Monday, 6 p.m. Eastern Time. Us and ECRV will be releasing our Mexico adventures. Thanks for watching.